catching up with Tagalog words, and I'm about to go and pick up pudra. And sundo is one of my previous Tagalog WOTD. I'm going to put the link down, guys, sa info section. Andito na ako sa parking lot. I'm already here in the parking lot waiting for pudra. And I don't know what Tagalog word to share for Tagalog WOTD until pudra waved to me. So that's gonna be our Tagalog word. And I've already shared this in our Facebook page the other day. Kaway. 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 And since our Tagalog WOTD is a root word, might as well add its tenses of verbs, just in case you guys are wondering, well, how do I say I'm waving or I waved? So I'm waving. Kumakaway ako. Kumakaway ako. And since kumakaway ako, kumaway ako. Kumaway ako is the past tense, and the future tense, kakaway. 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 Say you want to tell someone to wave. Kumaway ka. Kumaway. Kumaway ka. Kumaway ka. And that would be all for our Tagalog WOTD. And since we also discussed the tenses of verbs for our Tagalog word kaway, I'm also going to include the verbs forming tenses of Tagalog verbs, and that includes the types of Tagalog verbs like verbs, mag-verbs, in-verbs, I-verbs. I'm going to put the link below sa info section ng video.
Paabot lang naman sa...
Ay tayo kay pudra. So, let's go.
Go na!